The Australian share market has received strong positive leads from offshore trading overnight. US stocks soared last night on the back of encouraging employment figures and a brighter outlook by the US Federal Reserve, as traders set aside concerns about the Eurozone that have recently weighed on markets. The Dow Jones Index soared 250 points or 2.3%, with all 30 blue-chip companies that make up the index closing in positive territory. Despite some concerns still surrounding the European debt woes, traders shifted their focus to the US jobs market, where private sector employment rose by 93,000 payrolls in November, the fastest rate in 3 years. This data offered hope that the jobs sector may be on the mend. Investor sentiment also gained a boost from data showing an expansion of Chinese manufacturing activity, although it increased the chances that Beijing will increase interest rates in an effort to battle a roaring inflation. An hour into local trading, the ASX 200 index is up 79 points or 1.7%, with all sectors posting strong gains. In company news this morning, agrochemical company Nufarm Limited has announced its Australian business is tracking well ahead of budget. The company, which makes products such as Roundup, expects to report an operating profit of between $10 and $20 million for the first half of the 2010-2011 financial year. This news sees shares in the company up 18 cents or 3.9%. In other news this morning, we are seeing a particularly strong showing from our banking sector, despite Treasurer Wayne Swan unveiling plans to increase competition for the Big Four banks, and some concerns regarding the European debt issues still lingering. Our best performing bank is the National Australia Bank, with its shares up 63 cents or 2.7%. On the currency front, the Australian dollar has risen in overnight trade and is currently buying 96.66 US cents. This is Tom Huxtable for Baker Young Stockbrokers.